my fellow YouTubers, I'm back. As you all know, I'm going on my walkabouts next Wednesday across Scotland, and on the second day we're staying in Bothy. It's like a ruined cottage in the middle of the forest. It looks really good and I can't wait. If you want to see what it looks like, just check this now. I want something to eat decent in the cottage because my dad and that is bringing liver and onions, which I'm quite jealous at. But I thought I'd make a steak with some mushrooms, onions, garlic, and some of this gravy that I made last night, red wine gravy. Right, let's get to it then. I bought with these steakhouse rubs. So I thought I'd give them a go. What we got? Smoked garlic. Smoked garlic one. Holy smoke, applewood salt. Nice. What we got? Smoked black peppercorns, chili, and sweet smoky. I think we'll go for the sweet smoky. So that's what I'm going to do this steak with today. So first of all, I'm going to have one of these because I'm quite hungry. If you've got a lid on, get these. Put some of this cream cheese on it, Philadelphia. We'll thank you later. The odd idea of this is, because I'm going next week, I'm going to put it in this. This bag, it's vacuum packed. I'm going to let it marinate in the fridge for a couple of days and then I'm going to freeze it, and hopefully it'll be thawed out when I come to eat it. Right, let's get to it then, eh? What we're putting on here now, applewood smoke. I really want to season this up as well. This could be cooked on a fire as well. I don't know if there's actually a frying pan where we go in. I might have to take one, but the pack's already 18 kilos as it is. Some of this dried garlic. Oh, a lot of that. I hate preparing steak and not eating it. It's a 36-day aged ribeye, by the way. Put the onions in, the mushroom, and garlics. I'm actually going for 2 weeks, so I'm going to do this in, I don't have to do it in 2 parts because the video will end up too long, me waffling on and stuff. So now I'm going to put that in it. This is really nice, this stuff. I think that's it. Right, I'm back. So what we're going to do, just put it in there. These are so handy, these are, I tell you. Get them in Lidl. Get everything from Lidl. Right, do that to get rid of. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to marinate that in the fridge for a bit. You know I'm going to enjoy that. Well, I think what I'll do is I'll leave it here now, and probably next time you see me with this bag, I'll be in that Bothy, probably knackered, because I've done 31 miles that day. So if you like what you've seen, give it a thumbs up, and see you next time.